At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a gutter installation business can be a lucrative venture, especially if you live in an area with a high demand for gutter services. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Research the demand for gutter installation services in your area. Look at factors like population density. Climate areas with heavy rainfall or snowfall often require more gutter maintenance. In competition. 2. Business plan. Create a detailed business plan outlining your target market, services offered, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. This will serve as your roadmap for the business. 3. Legal considerations. Choose a legal structure for your business, sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, etc. Register your business name and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Consider liability insurance to protect your business from potential lawsuits. 4. Skills and training. Ensure that you have the necessary skills and knowledge to install gutters properly. If not, consider getting training or certification from a reputable organization. 5. Equipment and tools. Invest in high-quality equipment and tools needed for gutter installation, such as ladders, gutter machines, hand tools, and safety gear. 6. Supplier relationships. Establish relationships with suppliers to ensure a steady supply of gutter materials at competitive prices. 7. Marketing and branding. Develop a professional brand identity, including a logo, website, and marketing materials. Utilize both online and offline marketing strategies to reach potential customers, such as SEO, social media marketing, flyers, and local advertising. 8. Networking. Network with other professionals in related industries, such as roofing contractors, home builders, and real estate agents, to generate referrals. 9. Customer service. Focus on providing excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and generate repeat business and referrals. 10. Scaling your business. As your business grows, consider hiring additional staff or subcontractors to handle increased demand. Continuously evaluate and improve your processes to increase efficiency and profitability. 11. Stay informed. Stay updated on industry trends, regulations, and best practices to ensure the success and sustainability of your business. Remember that starting any business requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. It may take time to establish your reputation and build a client base, but with the right approach and commitment, you can succeed in the gutter installation industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.